Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss jet lag. If you have ever experienced the grogginess, fatigue, and disorientation that comes with traveling across the time zones, then this video is for you. In this video, we will dive deep into the world of jet lag, understand its causes, explore effective coping strategies, and discover ways to overcome it. So let's get started. So in the first slide, you can see a question that have you ever thought if you travel from India, from America, again you return to India, what will happen to you? Here you can see. So let's imagine you are traveling from Delhi, India to New York City, USA. Delhi follows Indian Standard Time IST, which is 9.5 hours ahead of Eastern Standard Time EST. The time zone of New York City. As you embark on your journey, you are going to cross several time zones. During the long flight, the airline might try to adjust the cabin lighting and meal timings so match the destination time zone. However, your body's internal clock, known as the circadian rhythm, is still synced with the time in India. Upon arriving in the New York City, it may be morning according to local time, but your body still perceives it as night time based on your internal clock. This time disparity creates the phenomenon known as jet lag. Before we discuss coping mechanisms, let's first understand what jet lag is and why it happens. Jet lag is a temporary sleep disorder that occurs when your body internal clock, also known as the circadian rhythm, is disrupted due to rapid travel across multiple time zones. Our circadian rhythm regulates our sleep, wake cycle, and various bodily functions, including hunger, body temperature, and hormone production. When you travel quickly across the time zones, our internal clock gets out of sync with the new time zone, causing jet lag. Let's now see the contents of the video. If we have to uh, see the contents definition, then we can see example, symptoms, causes, and prevention. If you have to say particular definition, what will be like? Jet lag is a psychological condition that results from alterations to the body's circadian rhythms caused by rapid long distance trans-meridian east to west or west to east travel. Let's now understand what is circadian rhythms. Circadian rhythm refers to the natural internal process that regulates our sleep-wake cycle and influences various biological functions throughout a 24-hour period. It's like an internal clock that helps our bodies anticipate and adapt to the regular changes in our environment. A good example to understand circadian rhythm is our sleep patterns. Have you ever noticed that you tend to feel sleepy at night and more awake during the day? That's because our circadian rhythm is at work. It is influenced by external cues such as daylight and darkness. During the day, when the sun is up and there's plenty of light, our bodies produce less melatonin, a hormone that promotes sleepiness. This makes us feel alert and active. As the day progresses, our body temperature and alertness increase. In the photo, you can see that during 7:30, our body stops to secrete melatonin. In the evening, as the sun sets and darkness sets in, our body responds by releasing more melatonin. This hormone signals our body to our brain that it's time to wind down and prepare for sleep. Our body temperature starts to drop and we begin to feel drowsy. Here you can see at the 9 p.m. our body again starts to secrete melatonin. You can also see that at night time between time 2 to 4 is the best time for sleep, deepest sleep. And also in the morning 9 at 9 is the best time for workout. So everything has a perfect time which is called circadian system or rhythm. Circadian rhythm not only affects our sleep but also impacts our biological processes like hormone production, metabolism, digestion, and even cognitive function. Disruptions to our circadian rhythm, such as shift work, jet lag, or irregular sleep schedules, can lead to sleep disorders, fatigue, and other health issues. If someone flying from New York to London, that is from west to east, feels as if the time were 5 hours earlier than local time, and someone traveling from London to New York, that is from east to west, feels as if the time were 5 hours later than local time. The phase shift when traveling from east to west is referred to as phase delay of the circadian circle, whereas going to west to east is the phase advance of the circadian circle. Most travelers find that it is harder to time zone adjust when traveling to the east. Jet lag was previously classified as one of the circadian rhythm sleep disorders. Now we will see the symptoms of jet lag. From jet lag, we can have insomnia, irritability, digestive issues, excessive daytime sleepiness, poor concentration, etc. Symptoms of jet lag can vary. You may experience only one symptom or you may have many. Jet lag symptoms may include sleep problems such as not being able to fall asleep or waking up early, fatigue and daytime sleepiness, feeling tired and lacking energy is a common symptom of jet lag. It can be challenging to stay awake and alert during the day, especially during the times when you could normally be asleep. Difficulty concentrating and decreased cognitive performance. Jet lag can impair your ability to focus, think clearly, and perform mental tasks effectively. You may feel mentally foggy or have trouble remember things. Stomach problems such as constipation or diarrhea. Jet lag can leave you feeling generally unwell with symptoms such as headache, muscle soreness, and a general sense of discomfort. Jet lag can affect your mood and emotional well being. You may feel irritable, anxious, or experience mood swings. Because of this problem, this may hamper our daily routine schedule. So, how does it affect our schedule? Because it disturbs sleep cycles, so we may experience difficulty in falling asleep or staying awake at the appropriate times in the new time zones. It can also affect our productivity and efficiency, especially during the first few days in the new time zone. Jet lag can disrupt your regular eating patterns. Your body may be still accustomed to the meal times of your home time zone, which can result in appetite changes, hunger at odd hours, or difficulty adjusting to local meal times. International meetings affected most through this lack of planning in the meeting may hamper inactive participation of members. So let's know the things that particularly causes jet lag. Jet lag usually happens when you travel by plane two or more time zones away. Jet lag symptoms result from your body's natural rhythms being out of sync with the day and night time hours of your destination. Plane travel makes jet lag worse because of your body moves much faster than your brain and circadian rhythms can process the time change. Other aspects of travel can also contribute to jet lag and may make symptoms worse. Long periods of sitting on a plane, lack of oxygen and decreased air pressure in the airplane cabin, warm cabin temperature and low humidity which can cause dehydration. So what steps should we take to prevent ourselves from jet lag? A few basic steps may help prevent jet lag or reduce its effect. Get plenty of rest before your trip. Starting hours sleep deprived makes jet lag worse. Gradually adjust your schedule before you leave. If you are traveling east, try going to bed 1 hour earlier each night for a few days before your trip. If you are flying west, go to bed 1 hour later for several nights before you fly. If possible, eat meals closer to the time you will eating them during your trip. Expose yourself to natural light during the day in the new time zone. Sunlight helps regulate your body's internal clock and can aid in resetting your circadian rhythm. Stay hydrated, drink plenty of water. In certain cases, a healthcare professional may prescribe medication such as short acting sleeping pills or wakefulness promoting agents to help manage the symptoms of jet lag. So that's it. By preparing before your trip, adjusting your sleep schedule, and adopting healthy habits, you can minimize the effects of jet lag and make the most of your adventures. Safe travels and don't forget to share your experiences with us in the comments below. Until next time, happy exploring.